We were recently in Steuben County, New York, delivering some equipment to one of our farms, and we drove by this farm and we noted the tremendous wind damage to this building. And you can see the roof was taken off and slammed up inside against two of the silos. A lot of damage. Now this farm here needs something, and what this farm needs is a windbreak. Out west in the areas of North Dakota and Montana, South Dakota, where properties get windswept like this one could be, the farmers always put a shelter belt around the farmstead to help block the wind. If this was done at this property, this wind damage probably would not have occurred. Plus, a property that's properly sheltered with nursery stock, like an Evergreen privacy barrier, also is easier to heat for the homestead because it breaks down the wind speed, which makes it easier to heat during the winter. At Highland Hill Farm, we grow screening and buffering trees that are great for windbreaks and barriers. We suggest for this particular area, trees like Norway spruces, white pines, or green giant arborvitaes, which will grow very well. Plus, they do offer some deer resistance, and they will grow fast enough that it can start to provide real shelter against the blowing of winter winds.